Right, here we are again. I haven't recorded anything for a while because frankly I haven't had anything worth recording really. It's been very quiet, but we're in Wales now. We're out of, not out of lockdown, but we can travel again anywhere, although I haven't come too far. No, there's a car, noisy car coming down. Yeah, in Wales we're allowed to travel again, so I came up here a few days ago just for a walk with Christine and Teal. Fergus the Springer is not too good at the moment. He's injured his leg. He's got a few health problems, so he's confined to barracks at the moment. Yeah, it takes us out onto Denbigh Pentravoilus Road, which Pentravoilus is the gateway to Snowdonia, the boundary, but we're not going that far. We come to a lake, Gorsedd Bran. I come back into the forest that way. There's a few cars coming backwards and forwards. Yeah, it's got a lot busier. I can't believe it. When I came here, I did a ride about a month or so ago. Didn't see a soul actually, and the number of people today you can see, it's amazing. Yeah, I came here a month ago and it was so quiet, it was unbelievable. I went right round Llynbrenig, which is a real tourist trap. Really busy, didn't see anybody, not a single soul. But today, since lockdown, since the lockdown was eased and we can travel again, it's absolutely chocker now. So this should be quiet though, so I'll catch you later. Right, it's getting hot now, so the Montan fluorescent tops come off. I wouldn't go on a main road without wearing high vis. I think road cyclists that wear all black are morons, actually. You're asking for trouble. So I always wear high vis. But I'm going to be on the tracks now. Just show you around. I'm using a crappy old microphone. I've lost my best microphone. This is Gorsedd Bran, which is literally Crow Lake. Bran is crow in English, or in Welsh I should say. Over there you can just see that white building maybe. That is the Sportsman's Inn. That's one of the highest pubs in Wales, if not the highest, I'm not sure. Right on the hilltop over there, there's ruins of an old hunting lodge. I can remember when that was intact, basically, and you could go upstairs. Now it's just a pile of stones, basically. So I'm going to go into the forest now. All the jets are out today because it's a clear day. It's supposed to be about 60 today, 60 Fahrenheit, which is about 16, 17 centigrade. Yeah, so very warm. Very warm. Yeah, this is interesting. This old quarry. I must look this up on my my quarry book, my comprehensive guide to the quarries of Wales, North Wales in particular. An interesting leaning wall. I wonder why it was quarried like that. If there's any tunnels here, or it's just open cast. Quite often they started as what's in that corner? Interesting. It's a bit of a mess getting over there. Is that a tunnel? Yeah, often these quarries started as yeah, they often started as tunnelled quarries, underground quarries, and they became open cast. Yeah, this is going to be a very short ride. I doubt it'll be more than 12k. It's just an exploratory ride, really, because I've never been up here before. I tell a lie, I might have been up here years ago, but it's changed a bit. There's been a lot of forestry work carried out. But I certainly haven't ridden any of these tracks, so it was worth exploring.